CoinShop owner says people do not want to hold silver. I just got back from a local coin shop here where I live, and the dealer gave it to me straight. People have been cashing out silver at his shop for a full year running now. And this is bizarre, as presently, time of this recording, silver is blown past 37, easily in the $38 range, headed for $40 an ounce. Here's what's happening. Check this out. This is from the Silver Institute, and they're showing demand for physical silver has been dropping over the past 12 months. Demand is dropping at the counter. First off, retail demand for silver coins and bars are cooling off big time. Longtime stackers coming into this shop, not buying, but selling. This is what my dealer's telling me. So a lot of it comes down to this. They bought low and silver's up, and they want to lock in those gains, clearly. But according to the Silver Institute, this is just not here on my local level. Demand for physical silver has dropped 22% since 2024. That includes coins and bars, 22%. Meanwhile, India is actually seeing a rebound, but U.S. buyers, not so much. So I get it when people are saying silver's hot right now, but at the counter, it's like a get out of my safe and give me my cash. That's what it looks like. Look, this is from Market Watch. They're showing silver's hovering around $37, $38, highest it's been in 13 years. That sounds great if you're already holding, but for new buyers, it's actually a turn off. It's a high price for 1 ounce. A lot of folks walk in thinking they missed the boat, thinking they should have bought in back 12, 14 months ago when silver was in the low 20s, right? $22 an ounce, 23. The fear of buying in and watching it drop is real. It's real. Silver's for regular everyday people like you and I. And unless you're dollar cost average, or unless you have a strong conviction, the high price spooks, it really spooks you, and it keeps people out. I think that's the reality. Now, people are watching. They're staring at the silver price, but they're not really buying. Look, this is from Discovery Alert, and you can see there's a twist. Silver's more in demand than ever, but not from stackers. It's industries, it's solar, it's electric vehicles, it's electronics. And that's great. But if you're holding silver in your safe, you're not seeing direct gains from that industry. There's no dividend. There's no share price growth. It's just a spot price and the premiums that you put in, you hope you clear and get back. So for this shop that I visit, that means fewer people walking in, asking for eagles, asking for a 10-ounce bar. We got people really standing on the sides, most of them, or cashing. So what these local dealers are really seeing is soft retail demand. People are selling, but they're not buying. They're seeing high prices, but it's making stackers or those that would have a fear of missing out and jump in, they're feeling hesitant. New investors just don't want to buy high, of course, clearly. We've got industrial demand, and that demand does not necessarily equate to retail excitement. Unless, you're a stacker like you and I, we really see how this equates to a long-term holding, increasing in value. But regular people who've never been in silver, and that's most, they just don't see it. They don't see that. Well, get your silver. Money Metals Exchange is holding this great contest. They're giving away 20 Eagles. You click that link in the description. It's a great company. They're sponsoring this channel. Giving away 20 Eagles every month. Get yourself in that contest. It's a lot of fun.